Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney, and today in this video we are going to learn how you can connect your RMoney account with MarketMaya. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, you have to open MarketMaya's official website, which is marketmaya.com, and now you have to log in. Here you will see two options to sign in MarketMaya, either with your Google account or you can just tap with one single click. So after successfully logging into MarketMaya and now click on Map Trading Account, here a new window would be opened and you have to select RMoney. And now you have to enter RMoney XTS API key, which is your app key and secret key. So these keys are available in your RMoney API dashboard, which you can access by visiting RMoney's website, where you have to click on Resource, select Rocket API, and then click on API documentation. So once you successfully log in, you have to paste interactive API keys. You can do that and paste that into Notepad. Make sure to click on this I button. So once you do that, enter the API keys in the respective field and now click on Save. And just like that, you will receive a notification that your account has successfully mapped with MarketMaya, and your RMoney's trading account details are also displayed here too. Alright, that's it for today. If you have any doubts, please do comment down below. Our team will reach out to you. Until then, happy trading. Bye bye.